like big butts, and I cannot lie. All you other brothers can't deny. When a girl walks in with an itty-bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. Wanna pull out your top, cause you notice that butt was stuffed deep in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh, baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboys tried to warn me, but with that butt you got makes you feel so horny. My Benz, well, use me, cause you ain't that average groupie.
I've seen them dancing the hell of romance.
And she sweat wet like a turbo vet.
I'm tired of magazines saying that what's other thing.
Take the average black man and ask him that she's got a pack much more back. So fellas, has your girlfriend got the butt? Hell yeah! Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake that. Double up, Ain't talking about Playboy, cause silicone butts are made for toys. Want 'em real thick and juicy, so find that juicy double. Mix-a-lot's in trouble, begging for a piece of that bubble. So Cosmo says you're fat, well, I ain't down with that. Cause your waist is small and your curves are kicking, and I am thinking about sticking. Give me a sister, I can't resist her, beans and rice. Didn't miss her.
Foreground window, inward back, editable text. My milkshakes bring all the boys to the yard, and damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I'd have to charge. You want it. What the boys go crazy for. They lose their minds. My milkshakes bring all the boys to the yard, and damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I'd have to charge.
Middle, but she got much back. Little in the middle, but she got